Now, how can you make a YouTube channel private on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not gonna miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there are some settings for your privacy in terms of like the YouTube, right? So you can, for example, open up the YouTube app on the iPhone, go to the profile section and tap on the gear icon in the top right, and you can just go to the privacy section and you can just manage some of the things here, or go to the general section and change any of the settings here. However, the point is that YouTube channel is like generally public as a channel, but the individual videos and the content can be set to private. And that's like a difference. You cannot just make like a whole channel private, but you can make the individual videos private. So you just go to your YouTube app or YouTube Studio and locate your content, and you will have the ability to click on the three dots, tap on edit, and there is the ability to change the visibility. So that's the most important part, right? Because the visibility might be set like to schedule and publish it, or make it public, unlisted, and private. So there are like three different types. If you obviously you don't want to make it public, if you want to keep your profile private, but there is a difference between unlisted and private, because unlisted means that there is going to be like a link created, and as long as somebody has access to that link, they can view it. But the private means that you decide specific people who are allowed to view it. So that is a bit of a difference, but that's how you can make your channel private, but by making the videos private themselves. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up and make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.